Hey, hero, how long are you going to ride that broken old bicycle? If you got the guts, build a helicopter and show us. Looks like I'll have to show them their place. Now my hard work will speak, and the sky will give the answer. When your determination is strong, even the sky has to bow. Keep making fun all you want. Soon my name will fly across the sky. Today I'm tying together my hard work. Tomorrow the whole sky will belong to my name. The day my effort takes off, the entire world will step aside. Now the flight won't just be in the sky, my name will rise too. This is only the beginning. When I truly take flight, the world will stop and watch. The one you thought was a joke has come to claim your sky today. Oh no, what's happening? If you want to see the real victory of hard work, like the video and don't forget to subscribe.